This guide walks you through how to install and configure the Donation Payment Button app by 𝗱𝗨𝗥𝗣𝗋 on your Wix website. You'll learn how to accept donations through PayPal, Stripe, or Square, customize donation amounts and campaign settings, personalize the donation experience, and create a simple, secure way for supporters to contribute directly from your website. After installing the app, you will be automatically redirected to the Wix editor, where you can add the Donation Payment Button widget to any page or section of your website. Drag and drop the widget into your preferred location to begin the setup process. Once the widget has been added to your page, click the Settings button to access the widget configuration panel. This is where you'll connect your payment provider and customize your donation form. Inside the Settings panel, click Manage in Dashboard to access the Donation Payment Button dashboard. The dashboard allows you to connect payment providers, manage plans, and configure advanced donation settings. Inside the dashboard, select your preferred payment provider. You can connect PayPal, Stripe, or Square, depending on which platform you'd like to use for accepting donations. If you're connecting PayPal, you'll need to provide a valid PayPal client ID. This credential allows the app to securely communicate with your PayPal account and process donations. Click the PayPal Dashboard button to open your PayPal developer account. Make sure you're signed into the correct PayPal account before proceeding. Once inside the PayPal developer dashboard, make sure you switch from sandbox mode to live mode. This is very important because live mode allows you to accept real customer payments, while sandbox is only for testing. From the left sidebar menu, click Apps and Credentials. This is where you manage your PayPal applications, client IDs, and API credentials. You may either create a new PayPal application or use an existing one already connected to your account. Click Create App to continue with a new setup. Enter a name for your application and click Create App. This helps you organize and identify your PayPal integrations inside your developer dashboard. After creating the app, locate the client ID under the API Credentials section. Copy this client ID because it will be used to connect your PayPal account to the app inside App Dashboard. You may customize and enable additional PayPal features such as subscriptions, invoicing, payment links, and other advanced capabilities. Once done, click Save Changes. Go back to your Donation Payment Button dashboard and paste the copied client ID into the PayPal Client ID field. This will establish the connection between your PayPal account and the app. Click Save. PayPal credentials to store your client ID securely. The app will validate your credentials and attempt to establish a connection with PayPal. Once connected successfully, you'll see status indicators such as Live and Active. These labels confirm that your PayPal account is properly connected and ready to receive real donations. Choose which payment provider you'd like the widget to use. If you've connected multiple providers, you can switch between PayPal, Stripe, or Square directly from the widget settings. Update the donation title, campaign description, and optional cover image. These details help visitors understand your cause and encourage them to support your fundraising efforts. Select the currency you would like donors to use when making contributions. The app supports multiple international currencies, allowing you to tailor the donation experience to your audience. Customize the donation prompt and preset donation amounts displayed on the widget. Suggested amounts make it easier for visitors to contribute while providing guidance on common donation values. Enable the fundraising goal option to display a progress bar on your donation widget. You can define your target amount and showcase fundraising progress to encourage additional support from donors. If you're migrating an existing campaign or already have donations collected outside the app, you can enter the amount you've already raised. This allows the progress bar to accurately reflect your fundraising status and build trust with potential donors. Customize how donors interact with your donation form. You can allow anonymous donations and enable the option for donors to cover transaction fees, helping your organization receive the full donation amount whenever possible. When the transaction fee option is enabled, enter the percentage charged by your payment provider. This allows donors to optionally cover processing costs during checkout and maximize the impact of their contribution. Choose the PayPal button style that best matches your donation experience. For the most recognizable and trusted checkout experience, select PayPal Smart Button, which displays PayPal's official checkout button and payment options. Adjust the widget's visual design to match your website branding. You can choose between available themes and modify the accent color to create a consistent look across your site. Choose whether to display credit card icons and the Powered By attribution below the donation form. These options can help provide additional trust signals and transparency for your donors. After reviewing your settings and confirming everything looks correct, click Publish in the Wix editor. Your donation payment button will then be live and ready to accept donations from visitors. This example shows a Stripe Sandbox account for testing purposes only. To accept real payments, your Stripe account must be verified and switched to live mode. Inside your Stripe dashboard, go to Developers, API Keys. This is where you can generate and manage your Stripe API credentials. Locate the secret key under the Standard Keys section. Copy the secret key carefully, as this is the key required to connect the Stripe Pay button app. Click Switch to Live Account to begin verifying your Stripe account and access your live payment credentials. Live keys are required to accept real customer payments. Complete all the required Stripe verification steps, including your business and account information. Once verification is complete, return to the API Keys page and copy the live secret key starting with esc live. Go back to the app dashboard and paste your copied secret key into the Stripe secret key field. Click Save Stripe Credentials to securely connect your Stripe account with the app. After saving, the app will automatically detect whether you are using a test key or a live key. Once connected successfully, the Stripe connection status will show as active. If you're connecting Square, you'll need to provide a valid Square Access token. This credential allows the app to securely communicate with your Square account and process donations. Click the Square Dashboard button to open your Square Dashboard account. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Square account before proceeding. Inside the Applications page, you can either create a brand new application or open an existing one. Applications are used to generate your payment credentials and connect Square services to your website. Enter a name for your application based on your store or project. This helps organize your Square applications and makes it easier to identify later. Once done, click Next to continue. Select the options that best match how you plan to use Square payments. These settings help Square configure your application properly for your payment workflow and business needs. Choose the audience type that best describes your setup, then click Complete to finish the application setup process. Most users can simply select the appropriate option based on their business type. Once inside the Credentials page, make sure you switch from Sandbox to Production mode. Sandbox is only for testing purposes, while Production mode is required for accepting real customer payments on your live website. Before copying your Production Access token, make sure your Square account or business is fully verified. Unverified accounts may experience connection issues or failed payment processing. Locate the Production Access token inside the Credentials section and copy it securely. This token will be used to connect your Square account to the Square Pay button app on your Wix website. Go back to your Donation Payment button dashboard and paste the copied Production Access token into the Square Payment field. This will establish the connection between your Square account and the app. Click Save. Skier credentials to store your production access tokens securely. The app will validate your credentials and attempt to establish a connection with Square. Once connected successfully, you'll see status indicators such as live and active. These labels confirm that your Score account is properly connected and ready to receive real donations.